Hello my crochet friends, Mary is here with a fun and super duper cute crochet tutorial just for you. Today we are making this beautiful headband. It's beginner friendly, boho chic and so much fun to wear. So grab your yarn and crochet hook because we are about to get creative. So my crochet buddies, let's do this. First we'll start with a slip knot and chain 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, alright, now we'll do slip stitch in the very next stitch. Here we go. Next we'll do one single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next 3 stitches we'll do 1 half double crochet each. So here we go, 1, the next 2, and then 3 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Here we complete it. Now in next we'll do 1 single crochet, and in the end we'll slip stitch. Here is our tiny leaf is ready. So now from this point again we'll make 16 more chains, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, 15 and 16. Yeah, it's done. So from here we again repeat the pattern, slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in next we'll do 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. Here are 2 cute tiny leaves are ready. So let's do again, chain 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, my long yarn. And this we go till we reach the count 16. Here we go. Yeah, now we are 16. So we'll again do the slip stitch in the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in next 3 stitches, and 1 single crochet and then slip stitch. Here we have 3 cute tiny leaves. So basically we need to repeat this pattern until we get the total count of leaves 20. So I'll see you later when we'll have the count of 20. Ta-da! So I have crocheted total number of leaves 20 by repeating the same pattern which I have told you earlier and show you earlier also. So let's count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Alright, now after crocheting the leaves we'll crochet these beautiful and super easy crochet flowers, and these are super duper beginner friendly. You can crochet it in no time, and the best thing is that you can use these flowers in your other projects also. So let's begin. First we need a magic ring. Here we go. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochets, 1, 2. In the magic ring we are doing all these stitches in the magic ring, and 2 chains in the end, and slip stitch in the magic ring. Here we completed our first petal. Yeah, just pull the yarn to make it a little bit tighter. So again, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and then chain 2 and slip stitch. Again chain 2, 2 double crochets, and chain 2, 1 and 2, and slip stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and again chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch. Slip stitch. Here we completed our 4 petals. So we need one more petal. So again we'll do chain 2, 2 double crochets, and 2, and chain 2 again, 1 and 2, and slip stitch, and cut the yarn. Okay, now pull the yarn gently . So here is our final look of the flower. Now you may also add the little embellishment to give it a more cute look, but it's up to your choice. You can add it or not, it's up to you. So here I have secured a little embellishment with the glue. Okay, from here first we need to find the middle of the leaf vine that we have crocheted. So here is the center point. So from this point we are going to, if you want to sew the flowers you may, or if you want to secure it with the glue. Both the options are whichever you want to adopt. So here I have choose the glue, the most easy and the quickest way, and the most secure way. So So here I put some glue and stick it on the flower vine. One by one I'll stick all the flowers on the headband. So here comes the final look of our beautiful crochet headband. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Lots of prayers for you. Stay blessed today and always. Bye bye. See you.